Did you know a killer turned America's most trusted medicine into a weapon of terror? In September 1982, 12-year-old Mary Kellerman woke up with cold symptoms in Chicago. Her parents gave her extra-strength Tylenol, the same medicine millions trusted. Within hours, she collapsed and died. At first, doctors were baffled. Then more victims started dropping. 7 people dead in just 3 days, all from the same cause. Someone had carefully opened Tylenol capsules, mixed in deadly cyanide, then resealed the bottles perfectly. The killer placed them back on store shelves across Chicago, turning random shoppers into targets. Panic spread nationwide. No one knew which bottle might be next. For the first time ever, a company recalled every product from store shelves. The FBI launched a massive investigation. A $100,000 reward was offered, but despite thousands of tips and years of searching, they found nothing. The Tylenol killer vanished without a trace, leaving behind tamper-proof packaging and one of America's most chilling unsolved mysteries.